Okay, this is the BLACK+DECKER glass blender. I was looking for a little bit lower of a price point compared to like the higher end blenders. So I went with this, and I'm gonna show you kind of how to assemble it, how it works, and the features of it. I love that this is glass, and I love that it all comes apart because I can throw it in the dishwasher and clean it. So it comes with this O-ring that you slip over the blade here, and this just goes on in, and then this, you can see where the threading is. You just spin it on there. But I do love that it comes apart. Nothing gross gets stuck in there. I know a lot of blenders you can't take apart like that, so I appreciate that. And then this is the top. You can take this out to put you know, whatever add-ins you want while you're blending. And then this is a really good seal also, but again, comes apart. Good way to throw it in the dishwasher. And then this just sticks on here. And then this is your base. You've got your off button, your low, your high, and then you can see 1 through 5 up here for the low, and then up here 6 through 10 for the high. And I was just gonna show you how I blend a smoothie, just so you can kind of see how it works. So I like to do some cherries and a little flaxseed, and woo, that's kind of a lot. And then also protein, and I just want to show you kind of how it blends up frozen fruit. So yeah, let me grab really quick. This is, I'm gonna add some water here. This is my clearly filtered water pitcher, so I can add some clean water to it like that. And then stick this lid here. Like I said, it is a pretty tight seal around here, which is good. I've never had issues with it spilling out or anything. And then all you do is you set it on here, and start it. You can see it kind of locked it into place. I should have twisted it a little bit better, but here's your, so I'll do it on low, and actually I'll do high all the way up. So you can just see all the different speeds and options you have. For the price point, I've been very impressed with this. I use it every day, if not multiple times a day. You can just take it off, pop the lid off, and I love the pour spout too for your smoothies. So anyways, I would highly recommend this BLACK+DECKER glass pitcher blender. It's been great in our house.